How to transfer data from your Android device to your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can transfer data from your Android device to your iPhone. So make sure to stick with us till the end to know how you can transfer data. So first of all, what you want to do is simply go to Play Store on your Android device and then simply download the app called Move to iOS. Now once the app has been downloaded, simply open the app. After that, you'll have to agree to the terms and conditions. So simply tap on the option agree and then tap on the option continue. Now you'll have to again scroll down and then go through all of the terms and conditions and then tap on the agree option, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, if you want, you can send app users, but if you don't, you can tap on the option don't send. And now it'll ask for your location permission. So simply tap on the option continue and then allow this device to use locations. Now what you'll have to do is simply go to your iPhone, scroll up and then tap on the option English. After that, you'll have to select your country or region, so simply do that over here. Now if you want, you can do a quick start, but since we are here to transfer data from our Android device to our iPhone, we'll simply tap on the option setup manually. And now if you want, you can customize written and spoken languages settings, but if you don't, simply tap on the option continue. And now you'll have to choose a Wi-Fi network, so simply choose a Wi-Fi and then enter its password. Now once you've done that, it will take you to another page where it will say it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. So simply be patient and wait for it to complete. In the meanwhile, simply tap on the continue option on your iPhone device. After that, it will ask you to enter one-time code. To get that code, you'll have to tap on the continue option. After that, if you want, you can set up Face ID, but if you don't, you can simply set it up later. And now you'll have to create a new passcode for your iPhone. So let me simply enter a 4-digit password and then confirm it by typing it again in the next page. Now once you've entered the password 2 times, it will take you to the apps and data page where you'll have to tap on the second last option, which is move data from Android, since we are trying to move data from our Android device to our iPhone. So simply tap on the option move from Android and then tap on the option continue. Now it will provide you the one-time code which was asked by our Android phone. So simply enter the code over here, 002163. And now you will be taken to this page where you'll have to first of all choose which data you want to transfer. So it may be your messages. Now you'll have to give permissions. So let me do that real quick. So I will transfer my messages, contacts, photo library, WhatsApp. Now once you've chosen all the data that you want to transfer, simply tap on the option continue. After that, on the both screens, it will show the time remaining or the estimated time for this transfer to occur. So simply be patient and then wait for the transfer to occur. So as you can see, the currently estimated time is 8 minutes, meaning in about 8 minutes the data will be successfully transferred from your Android device to your iPhone. So that is basically how you transfer data from your Android device to your iPhone. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.